You feel exhausted, but you just can't slow down because your brain won't just shut up. And then when it's time to make a decision, you feel paralyzed. You've been dealing with this for so long that it feels like it's part of you now. First of all, take a deep breath. Now, let's cut the crap figuratively and literally. There's nothing wrong with you, my friend, but it feels to me like your mind is running on an old program that is keeping you in this loop. I get it. I have been there, and I promise you, it doesn't have to be this way. Most people try to think their way out of these patterns, but let's be real. It doesn't work, right? Because your thoughts and emotions aren't just in your head, they are in your body. They need a way out that is more than just talking about it. And that's exactly why I use sewing and quilting, not just as craft, but as a tool to feel at ease, to slow down, to clear my mind, and also to regulate my emotions. Think about it. Every stitch can be a reset. Every block can be a new thought, and every project can be a step toward breaking the cycle. When I sew those straight lines, I can feel my emotions regulating and my sense of power being restored. Listen, this isn't about being good at sewing, which, by the way, is a nice side effect. It's about clearing the mental exhaustion so you can finally feel lighter, more in control, and more you. If this hit home, join me on February 14th at 4 p.m. Central Time, because this is the emotional fitness workout you didn't know you needed. Let's spend time together. It could be the emotional rest that changes everything.